It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, just so when they walk by.
Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching. Today I look rather unfinished because I'm going to be doing a little tutorial. We're going to a party later today, a Halloween party, and my daughter and I are going to be going as deer. I already made headbands and now I'm going to attempt to do the makeup. I have been watching a ton of YouTube videos and also looking for inspiration online. I used Estee Lauder Double Wear for foundation. I used MAC Pro Longwear concealer, and then I set everything with Laura Mercier translucent powder. I already did my eyebrows too. So hopefully you guys will stick with me and let's get started. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the eyes. I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I'm gonna go in with Rolling Dough first, and then these two colors right here. This one is called So Bougie, and then the other one is called Cocoa Truffle. So that's basically what I'm gonna have. Nothing too crazy. We're just doing a small Halloween party since it is during COVID-19. Just friends that we feel safe seeing, that we've seen throughout the months. I am gonna do a little bit of sparkle. I think I'm gonna go for gold dipped right here. Just with my finger, pat that on, right in the middle here. Ooh, so pretty. I'm gonna take some black eyeshadow, which is this one right here, Decadent, and gonna start putting on my lash line. All right, so that is about as big of a wing that I'm comfortable with. Make the funny faces. I mean, that's as good as it gets to get, so. Now I'm kind of just messing it up. Okay, going in with my NYX Epic liner. This stuff is really, really good. I'm gonna try and trace over that work and not mess it up. Okay, one is done. These are Lily lashes and they are Houston. So fluffy. Now that the lashes are on, I think I'm gonna play up my eyes a little bit more and darken my eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a little bit more up here because I'm gonna drag this shadow down and start creating the nose for that whole deer look. So see, right there. I haven't done a makeup look on my channel in, I feel like, a year or so. Pretty good. I'm gonna take that same chocolate truffle color and start dragging it down to create that nose, deer nose look. I'm gonna go in with So Bougie. I'm gonna take some white and put it underneath my eyes as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of a darker shade under that white to kind of carve it out a bit. Going back to Cocoa Truffle. I'm gonna do something I haven't done before, and that is to put lower false lashes on my lower lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and put these on, wish me luck, I have no idea how to do that, but I'm gonna try. Okay, so I have the lower lashes on and I legit almost put them on backwards. You could easily draw this on with liner if you wanted to do like accent the lower lashes, or you can just get lower lashes, false lashes, and glue them on. It actually was pretty easy once you get the direction correct. So I put it underneath the white line. So now I'm gonna drag out some liner to make it look more extended. Because the lashes are so long, you can barely see the wings, so I'm gonna take it out a little bit more. Ooh, that looks good. I'm gonna take the NYX Epic Liner Pencil. Okay, so I ended up putting mascara, waterproof mascara, on my lower lashes because they turned white from the liner and it just didn't look good to me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of the face. I'm gonna use the Anastasia Cream Contour Kit, and this is in medium. I'm gonna take the darkest shade and start contouring my cheeks and my forehead. And you wanna go pretty dark with this. To make it last longer, I'm gonna use cream and then powder. Spooky. And for powder, I'm going to use this contour kit in medium dark by Ish Cosmetics. It's a really pretty palette. This deep color is gonna be perfect. I am gonna be putting on a wig just because it's Halloween and it's fun. I am gonna add a little bit of blush because I feel like my face is so like monochrome right now. It's nice to add a little touch of color. So I'm taking the same palette and using this pretty blush shade. That was very aggressive. I'm gonna take just a clean brush, very dense brush, and blend that out a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzing color. This is pretty right here. Might as well stick to the same palette. Kind of a shimmery bronzer. Now I'm gonna take a really bright highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna take this brush, which is Royal and Langnickel. It's a precision angled brush, and I'm gonna take the same Too Faced palette, roll it in the dough. Since it's really bright, I'm gonna start really accenting, highlighting my T-zone. Now I'm going to take a really bright highlighting shade. This is the Sephora Luminizing Palette, and it doesn't have a name, but honestly, I love this palette. All these shades are gorgeous. I'm gonna take the same brush and dip it into that really bright white. Taking that same brush that has nothing on it and just helping to blend everything in. Okay, looking good. Let me blend out the nose a little bit more. So I'm just going to use this Chanel Le Crayon Precision Eye Definer that I have in white. Okay, so I honestly think that I don't need to go in and do larger ones. Kind of like what I've seen on YouTube. Some people do really, really big circles. Some people just do tiny circles. Some people mix it up, trying to make it not look like it's symmetrical or anything. All right, now onto the nose. I'm going to use this face paint kit that I got for my kids. You could, of course, just use a waterproof liner and something that you know is not going to budge at all. So here I have my brush already has a little bit of the face paint on. I don't know. I think I'm gonna do a heart on my daughter on her nose, and then for me, I'm just gonna do a straight like deer nose. Wow, that looks so cute. Some people put a black line down here and then they do a darker lip on top. I'm a little torn because I like this look. Okay, almost done. Okay, for my top lip, I'm gonna use this gorgeous shade by Nubian. And you don't wanna purse your lips together so the color doesn't transfer to your bottom lip. Unless you want both lips the same color, then that's fine, but you wanna wait till it dries. I am going to just take it up a little bit higher. All right, super cute. What if that was a trend? If just the top lip was one color and then the bottom lip was a different one. Do you think that'll ever happen? Maybe on TikTok. And I'm gonna throw on my wig and my headband and I will be back. Okay guys, this is it. This is so crazy. I just threw on this wig. I actually bought it on Poshmark. I actually have to check Poshmark to see if they're even on there anymore, but if they are, I will leave their listing down below. To accent the lower lash line, I put some darker shadow, as you can see right there, adding some depth to it, and it looks really good. And then I took a little bit of the same contour color and I drew a little bit in right there. Instead of it black, which I was saying earlier a lot of people do, I just took a little bit of that contour shade and I like the way that looks because that is definitely like an animal feature. I went ahead and put a little bit of a nude matte lip color. This is the Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick. I put that on my lower lip. What shade is this? Caramello. That's what is on the bottom. And again, it's a matte shade, so they won't move. I also threw in some contacts. These are Desio, and I think these are called Premium Hazel. And I made this headband. It was super easy. The headband just came with the headband itself, and then the antlers. It's on Amazon. I'll list that down below as well. And then I added the faux fur ears with a felt backing, and then some craft flowers, and I did it all with a glue gun. And then I made this really colorful one for my daughter as well. So this vest here, just a faux fur vest. I'm gonna be wearing this with this white bodysuit underneath and some black pants and then some boots. So I'm going to, and this is my boy. No, don't touch the camera.
Pikachu.
He's gonna go as Pikachu.
Pikachu. Pika pika. Pika
Say it.
pika pika.
Oh, you cutie pie.
Mom.
He's sweating in that one.
Mom, can you?
Yeah, I will. Help me out. Let me know if you guys liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit subscribe and that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. I am really happy with the way this turned out. Without the headband, and if I had like lion ears, I could be like the lion from
Lion King.
Lion King or Wizard of Oz. How cute, especially with this hair. That would be a really cute costume. Draw on some whiskers. So cute. So you can definitely do different looks, different animals with this look. A fox could be another. You know, just change up some of the colors and the spots and everything. All right, I will see you guys all in my next one. Bye. Say bye.
Why?
It's been a day, stressing out like crazy. Just wanna be lazy with my girls. It's been a day, we gonna get wavy. Layer on some diamonds and some pearls. Maybe we could go to the mall, get our nails done, get our hair done, we fly. Maybe we could holler at the boys, looking so good, whistle when they walk by. Cause we know what they want, but we just laugh. Yeah, we won't let them get away.